Hey YouTubers, I'm Tina. I'm here to show you how to use the yellow diamond for the face and the white one for the body. Okay, so the yellow one has half the number of diamonds in there. So the white one is double the number of diamonds, which is double the exfoliation, which is why you should not use it on your face. The yellow one is really easy. Put a creamy cleanser on and then get a bowl of water, dip, and then glide gently, dip, glide gently. You can go really close under the eyes, and don't worry, you're not gonna irritate it unless you're heavy-handed. So if you are heavy-handed, you'll know to pull back and just slowly build up again, because this tool is magical when it comes to tiny little lines that Botox can't get rid of, when it comes to pore size. Amazing for pore size, and when it comes for getting rid of discoloration and breaking apart that topical discoloration, as well as, have you used products and you're like, why are my products not working? Because you have so much buildup. So when you get rid of the buildup and you apply your products, it's like a whole new set of products, a whole new face. Your skin feels rejuvenated and just happy. So before you go and invest in a whole other product line, first, use the diamond, finish what you're using, and see if you like it again. You may be happy with what you have at home. Now, for the body, you want to snap this off. This is what I love, is that it's interchangeable. Wait, that was funky. This way. So it's interchangeable. You can just like mix it up. Now you're ready for the body. Then you go and you get the body, which is white. This one's really cool because once you snap it on, you can feel how much more intense this is. This can be used for keratosis pilaris, the light little chicken bumps that we have, as well as the booty bumps that we get. It's really great for that. Just lightly exfoliate and put a little bit of salicylic acid on. Salicylic acid toner, not a peel. If that's too much, then do it. For the arms, you're gonna probably be okay. For the butt, you may be a little sensitive. So again, build up to it. Don't just jump into doing treatments. Do a light exfoliation, then the third time, add a little bit of salicylic toner. You're gonna be so happy with how your skin feels. And just when you thought like you had to live with these bumps forever, you don't have to live with the bumps forever. You can have smooth skin and you can rub against someone and not worry about them feeling these bumps. Or if they put their arm around you, you don't have to kind of like cringe. It's really a neat tool. So let me know what you think. If you've purchased it, you can message us, you can email us, you can message us through YouTube. Our IG is @TinaKSkin, and let us know what you think. Hope you like it. Bye.